Well, everyone, that was an amazing ride on Cat in the Hat. Well, good morning or day, whatever it is to you guys, and welcome to the first ever Mariner of the Seas cruise vlog in this series. Now, it is not a cruise vlog, guys. We are spending the day at Universal today. In just 3 days, I think we're reboarding the Mariner of the Seas for 4 nights of fun in the sun. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you ding the notifications bell at the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I upload another video in this amazing Mariner of the Seas cruise vlog series. Anyway, today we are at Universal. Tomorrow will be a fun spot, but well, without further ado, let's go head to Universal. Well, what up, everybody? We made it here to the City Walk. We're gonna go head to, I think, Universal Studios in a minute. And also we're gonna get a bite to eat for lunch, because it's lunchtime, y'all. Well, already, everyone, we are here at NBC Sports Bar here in City Walk. We just grabbed a bite to eat. We have the nachos. It was pretty good. Again, I would highly recommend this place. You come over, give it a try. Right now, we're going to be heading over to Universal Studios. Again, this is one of two of Universal's theme parks here in Orlando. This one was built, I believe, in 1989, I believe. If I'm wrong, the information will be right here. So, there it is. Alrighty, well, that was super fast. We made it into Universal Studios. Again, this is right after New Year's, so the lines are going to be kind of long today because it's right after New Year's. We got a fun spot tomorrow. Hopefully, the hours are going to be not that long. A fun spot is going to be open from 2 till 12. And it's here at the Universal Studios. I believe it opened up at 8 o'clock this morning and closes at 10 tonight, so pretty late hours. Again, this is holiday hours here at Universal Studios. Also, it appears today the wait lines are pretty long. Revenge of the Mummy is a 60-minute wait, with Rip Ride Rocket being a 45. So again, due to the line being a little long today, we're probably just going to walk around a lot and take a lot of photos for you guys. Their holiday parade by Macy's is still going on. Again, it is January, so I think we have this weekend is the last weekend before it ends. That's at 5:30. I may stay for that one, may get you guys some pictures. I may throw in some last time I came, so if I did not record a segment from that. Well, alright, everyone, while we are on our way to the back of the theme park, I'm stopped in front of here in front of the new ride coming in 2020. So in spring of 2020, this is the Jason Bourne Stunt Spectacular. Make sure you guys come check it out. When this video should be posted, it should be open, so go check it out. Well, alright, everyone, it is now time to go ride Men in Black. You know, with Universal camera policy, I'm not allowed to take any camera, loose articles onto the ride. So instead, I'll see you guys right after I get off the ride and share my thoughts on Men in Black. Well, alright, everyone, we just did Men in Black. It was an amazing experience again. A great ride here at Universal. It is the only shooting dark ride here in Universal property as of recording date of January 2019. It was very great, and I got a score of 39,000, so I guess if you got a higher score, let me know down in the comments below. I think now we're gonna ride maybe some more rides here at the Universal, and then we're also gonna be heading over to Universal Islands of Adventure to do the Grinchmas holiday show. Well, it also appears, guys, that the tree is still up, and it is in about a few weeks of January. Very cool to go see it. It's still up. Again, this tree is magnificent. It is super huge. I can't get the top of the tree in a shot. It's like taller than the one at my local town Christmas display. Well, already, everyone, that wraps us for the morning here in Universal Studios. Right now we're taking a walk over to Islands of Adventure, where we plan to go see the Grinchmas and maybe go ride some few rides there, and then we're kind of heading back over here for the Macy's parade, hopefully. Alright everyone, we made it into Universal's Islands of Adventure. This park opened up in 1999, I believe. And they did a great job with it. Again, as of all Universal parks, they are amazingly themed. Now we're heading over to the Cat in the Hat. This is a Dr. Seuss themed ride. Hopefully, I believe this will be the shortest ride in the park and the shortest line, so let's go do that. Well, before riding the Cat in the Hat, I thought I would show you guys some a video construction update on the brand new Velociraptor roller coaster. Again, this coaster, the trademark was filed, I guess, last year. And again, right now it is under construction. This has not been officially announced by Universal yet, so we are still waiting on official confirmation of the coaster. But it is confirmed through Intamin that this is going to be an Intamin launched coaster. This is, according to some experts, according to the track layout, it is going to be the most thrilling coaster to open in Orlando. Alright guys, it is now time to go ride the Cat in the Hat. This is a ride opened up when the park opened up, so it's pretty old. I don't know who the manufacturer of this ride is, but it should be a great ride. Again, I can't take the camera on the ride, but you should hear my thoughts about this ride right after this. Well everyone, that was an amazing ride on Cat in the Hat. Again, highly recommended of a ride. It is great. It is one of the only 2 dark rides found here in Universal Islands of Adventure. Well, alright everyone, we just did the Cat in the Hat, which we just saw that clip right over there, me getting off the ride. Anyway, it is now time to go do the Grinchmas Spectacular. This is a holiday show. I think this first started in 2016, so it's been around for a couple of years. Anyway, here are some highlight clips from the show. Well, alright everyone, we just saw the Grinchmas Spectacular here at Universal Orlando Islands of Adventure. That was a great show. Again, if you have the chance to come check it out, I would highly recommend it. Anyway, now we are going to be going to the next park to go see Macy's the Holiday Spectacular Parade. Well, alright everyone, I am busy recording a time lapse. We made it into Universal Studios for the last time. After this, we're going to be leaving and heading back home, but we're going to watch the holiday parade, so that's what we're going to do before I leave. Anyway, right now I'm running a time lapse, which you should be inserted right after the scene, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, we should have like half an hour until the parade starts, so I'm very excited for that. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Never, never let you go. everyone, that is it for the Macy's Holiday Spectacular Parade here at Universal. And sadly, that's also it for our day here at Universal. Again, as of right now, we are heading back home, and we are going to be going in good night's sleep because tomorrow we'll be at Fun Spot America. Alright everyone, again, that is it for this episode of the Matter This Sea's Cruise Vlog. Hopefully you guys did enjoy our day at Universal. It was an amazing day. Again, we only rode 2 rides due to the lines being so long because it's right after New Year's. People are still on vacation. But anyway, it was still an amazing day. Anyway, tomorrow we are heading to Fun Spot. Very excited for that. We're going to go ride some roller coasters and go-karts maybe. Again, very excited for that. But if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right down below and smash the notifications bell. And might as well, since you're down there, make sure to give me a big like and also drop me a comment down below. And remember, I'll see you next episode for another video.